played at high volume.
Whoa, what up? What's up? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, today you see the orange box. What we're going to look at is the Women's Air Max Plus TNSE Tartan. Now, everybody know I do men's shoes, but I like to do female shoes too, man. You know what I'm saying? I like to do kids shoes. I try to do all that, man. You know what I'm saying? So here it is. This is the Women's Air Max Plus. This is out of the Tartan pack. Now, if you're not familiar with that, they're going to be releasing Air Max 97 and an Air Max 1 with the same plaid effect on it. You know what I'm saying? So if this your thing, go ahead and look out for them, man. You know what I'm saying? But to me, this is a dope shoe for the females. You know what I'm saying? Because I always used to see these jackets and these shirts, you know, with the same material on it. You know what I'm saying? In fact, I even had a button-down polo back in the days, the exact same color. You know what I'm saying? So, and I always did like that. You know what I'm saying? But I think this is a dope little touch for the females, man. I'm feeling it. You know what I'm saying? There's a look at the medial side. See that pattern? Got the black swoosh on the back. As you can see, as your 3M. You know what I'm saying? Now, they got 3M on the heel. You got it on the tongue and a little bit on the side, too. You know what I'm saying? So, I know a lot of people like that 3M, so hey, that's a nice little touch for you, you know what I'm saying? There's a look at the tongue. I mean, it's a dope shoe to me, man. You know what I'm saying? The other shoe is identical, no difference between the two. You know what I'm saying? Now, I'm kind of rushing through this, man, because I wanted to get this content up. Because this game about to start, man, I'm about to start drinking and everything, you know what I'm saying? So I don't really want to be on there talking crazy and turn none of my subscribers off, or you know what I'm saying, might fuck around and say something super stupid with that liquor in me, you know what I'm saying? But it is what it is, man. So that was my look at the Women's Air Max Plus TNSE Tartan. A dope shoe. I'm feeling it. Y'all make sure y'all go ahead and follow us on Instagram at PetLazar504. Subscribe to this channel, man. Turn your notifications on because we're going to keep it coming. And I'm going to holler back.